Sometimes all we need is a pause, not a vacation, just a moment away from routine. Water has a way of slowing us down, reminding us to breathe, to soften, to simply be. It's not about taking breaks every weekend. It's about shifting your mind, even briefly, so burnout doesn't become normal. Nature resets us quietly. No notifications, no deadlines, just movement, sound, and presence. Small breaks matter. They bring us back lighter, clearer, and ready again. Join me this weekend where nature slows us down and healing comes naturally.